So dear students, today we have start the unit number 2, which is based on the moment distribution method. Okay. Unit second का second part, first part that we have seen, that is the slope deflection method. Now today the second part, that is the moment distribution method. So moment distribution method, it is an iteration process based on the Hardy-Cross method for the analysis of beam and portal. Okay. So this moment distribution means we have to distribute the moment in case of beam and portal. In case of beam and portal. It is the iteration process based on the Hardy-Cross method. It is the iteration process based on the Hardy-Cross method for the analysis of beam and portal. For the analysis of beam and portal. Now we have seen all the fixed moment. Have you seen all the fixed moment? If there is uniformly distributed load, what is the fixed moment? Then if there is point load which is at center or not at center, you know the value of fixed moment. Okay. So now just you have the heading, that is the moment distribution method. Write down heading, moment distribution method, and write down the definition of moment distribution method. Write down the definition of moment distribution method. Okay. So it is an iteration process. It is an iteration process suggested by Hardy-Cross. It is an iteration process suggested by Hardy-Cross. Suggested by Hardy-Cross. Hardy-Cross for the analysis of beam and portal phase. For the analysis of beam and portal phase. So it is an iteration process suggested by Hardy-Cross for the analysis of beam and portal frame. After that, write down the definition of steepness of member. Definition of steepness of member. Steepness of member. Steepness of member. Steepness of member. Okay. So this steepness is denoted by K. Steepness is always denoted by K. Okay. So now write down the definition. Definition of steepness of member. Write down. It is a moment required to cause. It is a moment required to cause. It is a moment required to cause unit rotation. It is a moment required to cause unit rotation. Unit rotation. Okay. So now in this steepness there are three cases. Write down case number. Write down case number 1. Case number 1. Case 1. Okay. Now this is the beam. Now listen. This is the beam in which one support is hinged and other support is fixed. Okay. So A support is hinged and B support is fixed. If such a case is occur, when we have to find out the steepness of KAB. अगर मेरे को steepness find out करना है, if I have to find out the steepness KAB, what is the far support? AB. What is the far support? Fixed. Far support is fixed. So if such a case, when there is a far support is fixed, then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. 4 EI by L. Okay. So ये बीम ड्रॉ किया आपने. After that write down. When a far support is fixed, when a far support is fixed, stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. If far support is fixed, then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Okay, you have to remember this value 4 EI by L. Okay, write down case 2. Case 2. Now in case 2, listen. Case 2 में this is also a B, but this AD is a continuous beam. Means there are 3 support. 2 are hinged and other is fixed. 2 are hinged and other is fixed. So in this case, if I have to find out the stiffness of AB, then it is also taken as 4 EI by L. Okay. Now there are 2 cases. One case, if far support is fixed, then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. If far support is fixed but continuous one, then also stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Clear? Far support is fixed, stiffness is 4 EI by L. Far support is fixed but continuous one, then also stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Have you drawn this diagram? लिखा है diagram? Right. When a far support is fixed and continuous, when a far support is fixed and continuous, then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Okay. Now listen. 2 cases we have seen. If far support is fixed, then stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Second case, far support is fixed but continuous one, then also stiffness is taken as 4 EI by L. Now case number 3. Right. Case number 3. Now listen, in case number 3, far support is hinged. So in this case, this stiffness is taken as 3 EI by L. Okay. When a far support is hinged, then stiffness is taken as 3 EI by L. In overall, you have to see the joint. For any kind of beam, you have to see the joint. Joint पे अपने को stand रहना है. If far support is fixed, stiffness is 4 EI by L. If far support is fixed or continuous, stiffness is 4 EI by L. If far support is hinged, stiffness is taken as 3 EI by L. These are the 3 cases you have to remember. Have you draw this? Right now. When a far support is hinged, then stiffness is taken as 3 EI by L. When a far support is hinged or roller भी लिखो. Far support is hinged or roller. Fixed छोड़ के बचा हुआ कोई भी support, stiffness is taken as 3 EI by L. Okay. फिक्स छोड़ के हिंज रोलर 3 EI बाय, फिक्स रहेगा तो 4 EI बाय L. ओके, क्लियर है? नाउ आफ्टर दैट राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर. Distribution factor. Okay, write down the definition of distribution factor. Distribution factor is defined as the ratio of stiffness of that member, the ratio of stiffness of the member to the sum means SUM, to the sum of stiffness of all the member meeting at that joint. Listen. So this distribution, listen carefully. This distribution factor is defined as suppose a structure is given, and if you have to ask to find out the distribution factor of that particular member. So distribution factor is defined as stiffness of that member, उसका stiffness divide by sum of stiffness of all the member meeting at that joint. ठीक है? In simple way it is defined as suppose stiffness of that particular member to the ratio of sum of all the stiffness meeting at that joint is called as the distribution factor. There is no unit for the distribution factor because it is the ratio. Write down example of the distribution factor. Very simple. Example of distribution factor. Write down. Okay, so such type of structure is given. Okay, so at point O, this is the joint for member A, B, C, D. This is the midpoint of all this one. Okay, so now listen carefully. If I have to find out the stiffness of KOA, okay, what is the stiffness of KOA? Far support is hinge. Stiffness is 4 EI by L1. 4 EI by L1. For stiffness of KOA member, 4 EI by L1. 4 EI by L1. Okay. Now, for stiffness of KOB, what is the stiffness of KOB? Far support is hinge. Stiffness is 3 EI by L2. 3 EI by L2. Then KOC, what is the stiffness? Why 4EI and why 3EI? Far support is continuous one. Far support is continuous one. So for KOC, this thickness is 4EI by L3. And for KOD, far support is hinge, thickness is 4EI by L4. 4EI by 3EI. 3EI by L4 because far support is hinge. Far support is hinge, thickness is 3EI by L4. Write down all this. Write down all this thickness. Okay. You have to stand at joint and see the far support. If far support is fixed, stiffness is 4EI by L. Far support is hinge, then stiffness is 3EI by L. Okay. Write down. The distribution factor. We have to calculate the distribution factor. Now, जितने आपके स्टिफनेस कैलकुलेट हुए KOA, KOB, KOC, KOD. So same distribution factor we have to find out for OA member, for OD member, for OC member, and for OD member. Now listen carefully. If I have to find out the distribution factor of OA member, if I have to find out the distribution factor of OA member, so as per that definition, distribution factor is defined as stiffness of that member plus sum of stiffness of all the member meeting at that joint. Now, distribution factor of OA member is equal to KOA upon KOA plus KOB plus KOC plus KO. ओके, जिसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर निकालना है वो न्यूमरेटर में रहेगा डिवाइड बाय सम ऑफ ऑल दैट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर फॉर ओए. दैट इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर फॉर ओए. नाउ सिमिलरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर ऑफ ओबी मेंबर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फैक्टर ऑफ ओबी मेंबर, distribution factor of OB member. Now distribution factor of OB member is equal to KOB upon KOA plus KOB plus KOC plus KOD. That is the distribution factor for OB member. Similarly, distribution factor for OC member is equal to KOC upon KOA plus KOB plus KOC plus KOD. Similarly, distribution factor for OD member is equal to KOD upon KOA plus KOB plus KOC plus KOD. So, distribution factor is defined as stiffness of that member upon sum of stiffness of all the member meeting at that joint. जिसका निकालना है वो न्यूमरेटर में रहेगा डिवाइड बाय सबकी एडिशन. सिमिलरली फॉर दिस केस एंड दिस केस. ओके.